He was giving many offers to come. We will give you this, we will give you that. But if you give a man a house that does not have foundation, have you given him a house? Abure represents integrity. Abure is a man that has said Labour Party will not die. Labour Party will not be used for transaction. Labour Party will not be used to do hanky-panky. We are not going to use Labour Party to negotiate. He insisted that the party will not die, but will live. Can you rise up and join me at this point to welcome the
Labour Party?
Forward ever!
Labour Party?
Forward ever!
Backward never!
Forward ever!
Papa,
Mama, Pikin!
Please, let's be seated. Let me acknowledge the presence
71.
of the National Secretary and all members of the National Working Committee who are here present. I also want to acknowledge our vice presidential candidates in the 2023 general election, a formidable ally of the party, a dogged fighter, and a man of conviction. I want to also acknowledge his friends. He's here with a lot of his friends who are professionals, who have worked with him over the years. And he just hinted me that a lot of them want to follow him to the lights. And by that, also provide light for the people of Nigeria and their constituency.
Yes.
I also want to acknowledge all the state chairmen and secretaries who are here present. I want to acknowledge our party members, men and women, who are here today for these events. I want to specially acknowledge my own brother, who, when he has a conviction, of course, there's nothing you can do about it. And I want to say those are the kind of men that we need in the party. Those are the kind of men that we need in the National Assembly. Those were the kind of men that were in the National Assembly in the First Republic and in the Second Republic, where legislative business was interesting, when politics was interesting, when intellectualism was brought to bear in the National Assembly and State Houses of Assembly. I want to acknowledge Honorable Dr. Barrister Ben Etana Ben. I also want to acknowledge members of the press who have worked very closely with us. For the past few months, or let me say over a year now, the party have been going through several challenges, some rooted in propaganda, some rooted in lies, and some rooted in blackmail. But I want to commend members of the press for standing by us to ensure that the proper information were adequately disseminated. I also want to appreciate all Nigerians who stood by us, stood by the party through thick and thin. There's no gainsaying the fact that Nigerians were in solidarity with us. Some people that benefited from the party was hoping and wishing that the party will collapse. But following the support of the Nigerian people who believed in the ideology of the party, who believed in the program of the party, who believed that Labour Party is the only answers to the socio-economic conditions of Nigeria have stood firmly with the party. And so I want to use this medium to appreciate all Nigerians for standing by us. For this event, I want to specially extend my gratitude to the vice presidential candidate of our party in the 2023 general election. He suggested immediately on the 31st of December, when Peter Obi was defecting from the party, he gave me a call and said, Chairman, I am not leaving the party. He told me, say, for a party that scored 10 million votes that was stolen and was reduced to 6 million votes, I, as an ambassador, as one of those who were in that ticket, who made it happen, I will not throw away 6 million votes. And he told me, organize a program, and we contribute to funding it. And let me tell the whole world, and bring other stakeholders together and tell the whole world that I am still in Labour Party.
We love you. We love you, sir. You are a leader. You are a leader. You are a leader. That's it. You are. That's it. You are a leader. You are a leader. You are a leader. You are a leader.
Labour Party.
Whatever.
And you know, our vice presidential candidates has some level of bourgeoisism and some level of proletarianism, socialism together. Yeah. He suggested that we should go to Transcorp and select some few people with some state chairmen to do it. I said, no, you know, we are party of the people.
Yes.
Party of the grassroots. Yes. Let us do it in Labour Party office and bring the peasants,
yes, so
the artisans,
the owners of Nigeria,
the owners of the party, to be part of that event. And because of the proletariat tendency in him, he graciously accepted it. And today, we are having this event. We now fine-tune it, put our heads together, and that's why we have this event today. So I want you to join me to appreciate him for his conviction about the programs, about the philosophy, and the ideology of the Labour Party. Forward ever,
backward never.
Yes, in relation to the FCT. Well, as a party, we have done the needful for INEC to upload the candidates of the FCT. The Electoral Act provides, in line with INEC timetable, that you give notices for primaries. Indeed, we gave notices, we have acknowledged copies of it, and we went ahead to conduct the primaries. Though INEC was not present, and I wouldn't know for what reason, till now there's no communication from INEC why they didn't monitor the primaries. In any event, candidates emerged, and we forwarded the list to INEC as required by law. When those candidates were not uploaded, we went to court and got an injunction from the court that those candidates should be uploaded. INEC said there was a mistake in the order. In one of the sittings in the court amended the order and was served on INEC. INEC still refused to upload those candidates. I was reliably informed just before the Christmas break that the candidates took their destiny in their hands, went to court, and got another interim order that was served on INEC. And they were indeed hopeful that their names will be uploaded. Surprisingly, report reaching us has it that they are yet to be uploaded. Yesterday, is it yesterday or Monday? Monday. I didn't even know, it wasn't to my knowledge that there was going to be a protest in INEC. I was just resuming the office here when my attention was brought to it that our candidates were in INEC protesting the refusal of INEC to upload them. These are Nigerians who want to be partakers, who want to participate in the electoral process. And I think that is their constitutional right to be allowed to participate. It is their right to participate in the election. And as a party, we have done all we needed to do within the ambit of the law to get INEC to upload them. But we shall continue to engage in peaceful means to see how we can persuade INEC and persuade all agencies to see how these candidates will be uploaded. We continue to agitate, we continue to do our best to see that they are uploaded. Thank you and God bless you.
My chairman, our chairman, the national chairman of the Labour Party, Barrister Dr. Julius Abure, my colleagues, members of the National Working Committee, my colleagues, members of the NEC, who among them are the chairman of the state chapters, the secretaries, and other distinguished members. I will also borrow a leaf from the national youth leader who is anchoring the program that, you know, the big masquerade to be unfolded, they say the big masquerade usually comes late. My beautiful members of the party who are here in solidarity with the leadership of the party, Your Excellency, Dr. Deputy Baba-Ahmed, PhD, who was the vice presidential candidate of the Labour Party in the 2027 general election. (2023). I say was. Well, Your Excellency, sir, my chairman, we're here to mark the beginning of 2026, which we believe is going to usher a renewed determination strength for forceful leadership and focused party activities and loyalty. We have, during the first 2 years, since after the 2023 general election, the party has been overwhelmed by challenges, which we are very happy we have surmounted them. We couldn't have achieved this success. We couldn't have been here while we are at the National Secretariat of the party, if not because of the support, prayers, commitment, loyalty of our members. Labour Party will continue to remain united. We're not here to make a campaign speech, but however, we have seen a lot of events happening. Some people who have tried to hijack the party from its legitimate leadership have failed. And as a result, they found themselves not comfortable among the midst of those people who have sheltered them. So we're very happy that we remain united, we remain resolute, and we continue to remain prayerful for the 2027. We are praying that God in His ultimate mercy will bring among us some people who are going to contest election in various positions. And we hope and pray the performance of 2023 is going to be more and more, will surpass it. We are very hopeful. Nigeria will be ruled by a member of the Labour Party. 2027 is going to usher someone who is going to lead Nigeria to the promised land. Labour Party is a party with a comprehensive ideology, and we believe in that ideology of the Labour Party. That ideology is a free, fair, and uncorrupt best practices for all the members and the leaders of the party. You can see how dignity, responsibility, maturity, focused leadership that is being exhibited by some of our National Assembly members who refused to be induced, who refused to be coerced, who refused to subject themselves to the shameful thing that is happening all over. Right Honorable Ateneberi, we appreciate you and will continue to pray for you and will continue to support you wherever you will be. And we want to assure you that 2027 you return or you go to a higher position by the grace of Almighty Allah. And to all of us that are here who have one ambition or the other, we want to assure you that the Labour Party, as we've been seeing, we're going to ensure that we're going to be successful, are going to repeat more and more and more of what we have done in 2023. Your Excellency, sir, thank you so much. Mr. Chairman, thank you so much. And I pray we're going to have a robust discussion. Thank you so much.